Sorry. జేబులో వేసుకుంటారా కింది ఎంత సార్ 700 అంటే సెల్ ఫోన్ కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది మంచి కాస్ట్లీ అనేది
ఇది కాస్ట్లీ మంచి బ్రాండెడ్ కంపెనీ
ఏం కంపెనీ
బోయా
700 కడుతుందా మా పిల్లలు కూడా 12వ క్లాస్ ఉంది దీనినే చెప్పాలి చెప్పండి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా చేస్తాను బోర్డు Good morning, my dear students. So welcome to my class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So very good morning. I hope you are very well. So yesterday I have discussed about the some more chemical equation, balanced equation or not balanced equation. So this balanced chemical equation, so I have discussed in the two methods. So one is the trial and error method. So another one is the mathematic method. So in the trial and error method, so it do the coefficient number only it can changes then do the balanced equation. So yesterday, so last one more example there in our textbook. So so iron oxide react with aluminum. What happens? So iron oxide react with the aluminum. So this is the third example in our textbook. So iron oxide already chemical formula Fe2O3. So what is the chemical name means? So ferric oxide already discussed about the. So this is the best example for the chemical changes discussion. So common name is the rusting of iron. So this is the ferric oxide. So this ferric oxide react with the aluminum. So to form a aluminum oxide and iron forming. So ferric oxide also it is a solid and aluminum also solid. Aluminum metal. So aluminum oxide also solid and also solid. So this is a chemical equation. Yesterday I have discussed somewhat this chemical equation. So in the reactant side, iron how many there? 2 there. So product side only 1 there. So reactant side oxygen 3 there. So product side 3 there. So oxygen it can be balanced. Aluminum 1 there. This side 2 there. So actually in the reactant side, the total atoms. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 atoms are there. Same as well as the product side also 6 atoms. So both sides 6 atoms are there, but it is the unbalanced equation. Why? Means so which atoms are participated in the chemical reaction? So the same atoms are the same element atoms are how many? The same element atoms how many participated equal number of same elements atoms are forming. So that is the balanced equation. So iron element to 2 oxygen atoms, iron element to 2 iron atoms are participated. So same 2 iron atoms are forming. So that is the balanced equation. Only one forming, it is nothing but a unbalanced equation. So means what? So same elements, how many atoms are participated in the reactant side? So same elements, equal number of atoms are formed product side. So this is called a balanced equation. So this is unbalanced equation only. So this unbalanced equation, how to get in the balanced? So just changing the coefficient number. Coefficient number means iron beside it have some place. So that is called a coefficient number. So don't or does not change it to the subscript and any other place. Only it will change. Only it's change into the coefficient place only. Suppose in the coefficient place, the suitable number is not coming means it will be tried. So this is a trial and error method. So 2 keeping means that is the not balance means another go to the 3. 3 means not coming means 4. Thus like you try and try. This is called a trial and error method. So then finally it got in the answer. Suppose now iron 2 there, this side only 1 there. Suppose maybe not the exact, maybe so 2 keeping. So now iron it will be balanced. Now coming to the aluminum. Aluminum 2 there, this side only 1 there. Suppose aluminum 2. Now after you check once again. So iron 2 there and 2 there. So aluminum 2 there, 2 there, oxygen 2 there, 3 there, 3 there. So this is a balanced equation. So this is a trial and error method. Already yesterday you have discussed this one, this type of method. Next another one, table also you know. So just like you write on the table. Element. Next another one, number of atoms of reactant side. Next another one, number of products of left side means atoms. Suppose iron you take means iron. How many iron there? 2 there. So in 2 you know Fe2O3. So this is a reactant side. So what about the product side? So 2 there. NAF. Next oxygen. Oxygen 3 there. You know Fe2O3. So now 3 there, but you know Al2O3. So iron completed, oxygen completed, now going to aluminum. So aluminum 2, you know aluminum. Next to 2 product side, you know Fe. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, so 7, and this also 7. So the same element, how many atoms are participated? So equal number of the atoms are forming the same element. So this is the balanced equation. So this is a balanced. So this is what type of method means asking. So trial and error method. So this chemical equation depending upon the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. So one element, how many atoms are participated in the reactant side? Same element that equal number of atoms are forming. So that is nothing but a law of conservation of mass. So this law of conservation of mass proposed by the Anthony van Lavoisier. So he was a father of modern chemistry. So next, aluminum atom also, how many aluminum atoms are participated? Element same atoms are forming. So now the both sides the same atoms. So in the law, according to the law of conservation of mass, the atoms are not created, not destroyed. So this is the balancing equation. So it is the trial and error method. Are you understanding? Hello, my dear students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
If you
sir.
have any doubt, you ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
So yesterday I have discussed about the mathematical process also.
Yes, sir.
That also
Yes,
is-
sir.
So now again I will explain this equation in the mathematical process. Shall I run this one? Boss.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Right, very good. So Fe2O3 iron oxide. So what is the chemical name? Ferric oxide. Ferric oxide.
Ferric oxide.
Excellent answer. Excellent. So now again you prove it the mathematical way. So mathematical way means this is the A, so B, C and D. Now what is the A value, B value, C value, so D. So what is the A coefficient number, B coefficient number, C coefficient number and D coefficient number, you find out. So first of all, iron, both sides there. Iron, right, very good. Next, oxygen, both sides there, oxygen. Then aluminum also, both sides there, aluminum. Right. Now, what to do? So this,
Atom.
all right. So iron, first you prepare for the equation.
2A.
2A.
Excellent.
2A is
Equals
equals
to
to
1D.
1D.
1D, excellent answer.
1D.
Good girl. 1D. Now oxygen. P,
3A is equals to 3C.
3A is equals to 3C.
3A is equal to 3C.
3C.
Right, okay. Now B. Only one
1B
B.
is equals to 2C.
2C.
1B is equal to
2C.
2C. So this is the prepared for the equation. Now let is equal to A is equal to 1.
1.
A is equal to 1 means you substitute the A plus 1. So now D is equal to what? 2. Yes or no? So 2 1 is 2.
Yes, sir.
So 1D. 1D under
Yes, sir.
3 is equal to 2. Now 3A is equal to 3C. A plus already 1. So 3C. Now 3 1 is 3. So 3C. What happens? So
C is equals to 3 by 3.
3 by 3 means what happens?
1.
Now coming to the D. So C is equal to what? 1.
2 into 1 is equals to
3 is equals to 2.
A is equal to what? 1. E is equal to
2.
2. Excellent. C is equal to
1, 2. 1.
E is equal to
2.
Two.
Two.
Excellent. Now you substitute for the a plus 2. A plus what? A plus 1 only. This is the 1. B plus what?
2.
2,
Now C plus what? What coming?
1,
1.
1. Correct. Now D.
2,
2.
Now we check. So aluminum 2 there. 2 there. Iron 2 there. 2 there. So it is the balanced equation.
Balanced
Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So let us go to another chemical equation. Shall I rub this one? So write down. Okay. Completed. So somewhat difficult chemical equation now given. So this is a lead nitrate. So in this lead nitrate, before only you supply or you given in the heat. So the heat it will be utilized. The reactants it can be divided to form a new products. So chemical reaction before only heat utilized or heat used means so this is called a endothermic reaction. Are you understanding? So heat before only utilized. So without heat the chemical reaction is not occurring. So heat utilized and heat ఉపయోగించుకొని the chemical reaction is going on to form a new substance. So that is called a endothermic chemical reaction. So lead nitrate by the heat, so it will form a lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So now what is the value of the A and B, C and A, B, C and D? What are the value? So this chemical equation given means how to get. Listen all of you, very very important. So these two nitrate 2 there so these two it belongs to the only NO3 2 only. These two not belongs to the hydrogen. So this is a little bit to have confusion. So this nitrate means how can you write down the lead nitrate? So Pb plus 2 NO3 minus. So this is the polyatomic ion. So nitrate. So then crisscross method you write down so this Pb plus 2. The charge it will be coming to the bottom of the ion. So this opposite to negative charge it coming to the opposite bottom of the subscript. So now the charge this right coming means so in the bracket you write down the NO3. So this minus 1 coming means no need. So this is the lead nitrate. So what is the chemical name?
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate.
This is the lead nitrate. Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
This is the lead nitrate. Right. Completed. Okay. Now this do in the mathematical way. Right. How can you solve this problem? So first of all, lead. Okay, lead both sides there. Lead. Next nitrogen. Nitrogen. Okay. Oxygen. Oxygen. So this is the A. So this is the B. This is the C, and this is the D. So these two. So not belongs to the this later on. This two only belongs to the nitrogen only. So A only. So A. So outside what there? So only B there. So A is equal to B. Now coming to the nitrogen. So this two belongs to the nitrogen. So means this 2A. So this two belongs to the nitrogen, not belongs to the lead. So that's why you write on the 2A. So outside what there? Only one nitrogen there. 2A is equal to C. Next oxygen. So these two belong to the oxygen. 3 2 is 6. So 6A. So 6A is equal to 1P. Next to 2C. And so this two belongs to the D.
2D.
So this is the equation preparation. So now let us A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 means B is equal to also 1. So A came and B came. Now A is equal to 1 means so C is equal to what? C is equal to
2.
excellent answer. So A came, B came, C came. A came, B came, C came. What about the D? So A 6. A is equal to what? 1. So B is equal to what? 1.
1.
2 is equal to what?
2 into
Is
2
equal
2
to
into 2.
plus 2D.
Right. So 6. So 2 to the
1 plus 4.
2D.
so 6. Sir, 4 plus 1. 5 plus 2D.
5 plus 2.
2D.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు చేయండి దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయండి.
Okay, sir.
So 6 is equal to 5 plus 2D. Yes or no? So now 2D is equal to 6 minus 5.
6 minus 5.
So 1. So now D is equal to 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Right. Now A is equal to 1. So B is equal to what happened?
1.
1. And C is equal
B is
to
equal
2. And D is equal to
1
1
by
by 2. So this like the fractions are coming means so this fractions remove means so which number in the above you take means so 2 is తీసుకోండి. So 2 to the fraction comprises. Now 2 to the 4. Now 2 1 ja 2. Now 2 1 ja 2. Now what happened? So 2 now so 2 1 ja 2 PB. So 4 NO2 O2. So this is a balanced equation. So now how many left there? 2 there. 2 left there.
2.
So 3 2 just 6. Nitrogen how many there? Observe close observe.
2.
So nitrogen
4. 4.
there. This side 4 there. Now this two also belongs to this one. This two also belongs to them. So 2 to the 4. So this only 4 there. Are you understanding this confusion? So this 2 belongs to the nitrogen. Another this total
Yes,
2 belongs to the this total group only. So now the 2 nitrogen and 2. So 2 to the 4 nitrogen. This is the 4 nitrogen. So with oxygen clarify the journey. So 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12.
12.
12.
12 oxygens are there. Now coming to the, so this is the 2. Now 4 to the 8. 8 plus 2 and the 10. No. So 10 again
10.
12.
12.
So now A is equal to 2 and B is equal to
2. B is equals
B is
to
equal
2.
to 2.
B is equals to 4.
C is
D
equal
is
to
equals to 1.
1.
B is
So this
equals
is
to 1.
1. This is a mathematical way balanced equation. Right on. So this like any unknown equation giving means you have very easily understanding the concept to any unknown chemical equation given. So very easily do this like problem for understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay, write down 2 minutes. Okay, my dear friends, ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి మీ వీడియోస్. Please open your videos. How many members are listen my class? So open videos. Newcomers. So please open your videos. Newcomers who are joining now. Only 4 members. Pranit, Kaushik, Pranit, what about your videos, Pranit? Pranit and Kaushik. Only 4 members. 8 members only. Also participating. Okay, you know, Kaushik, okay. Kaushik. 4, 5. Okay, another. Rishwant. CH Rishwant. What about Rishwant? Muninder. So remaining students, you have any doubt, you ask me. I will explain again. Don't bother about you have. You have listening in. You have concentrated. Listening is very, very important.
ఆశయ సరైన అభినవ్ కృష్ణ అషిత జాలల దీపిక ఎక్కడ పోతుంది
మునిందర్ రాపర్తి.
నమస్తే సార్, బాగున్నారా సార్?
మునిందర్ చెప్పండి, ఎవరు?
నేనే మునిందర్, మీ రూమ్ పక్క బట్టి ఉన్నారు మునిందర్.
సార్ చెప్పండి.
మీ క్లాస్ విందామని ఒకసారి ఆడైనా.
ఓకే ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్ రైట్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే వినండి. So if you have any doubt, you ask me, my dear students. So this is the balance and chemical equation, the fourth equation. So somewhere I will give the examples. Okay. Some examples given. So one is the calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide. Second one, nitrogen. Hello. Okay. So this is a nitrogen react with oxygen nitric oxide. So heat also releasing. So this is a endothermic reaction. So next another one. So C2H2 ester. So react with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide and water. Next another one. Some more example. So magnesium oxide dissolved in the water. So to form a magnesium hydroxide. Okay. So we change. We balancing with the trial and error method. Another one is the mathematical method also. Tomorrow I will be explain the making a chemical equation more informative. So making a chemical equation more informative. So right. Sir, today my class will complete. Okay. So my dear students, so in this chemical equation, so first one is the heat observing. So heat observing in this is called a
Endothermic.
Why means before heat only. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చేస్తుంది. Why means both the oxygen and there, but this also heat observing then to form a nitric oxide. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ చాలా అడిగిండు. So this is the nitric oxide, not a acid అమ్మ. So nitric oxide. So this also
Endothermic reaction.
Endothermic chemical reaction. Now this is the hydrocarbon combustion reaction. So combustion reaction, one type of a oxidation reaction. So in this combustion reaction, which type of products are forming means carbon dioxide and water.
Carbon
So the
dioxide
heat
and
also
water.
releasing. Heat also releasing. So this is the exothermic reaction.
Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic reaction.
So this is exothermic reaction. Next one, this is a magnesium oxide. So dissolved in the water, same as well as
Water.
the lab activity 1. Calcium oxide quickly and dissolved in the water to form a calcium hydroxide. Now this is magnesium oxide dissolved in the water to form a magnesium hydroxide. So this is the common name is the
Milk of
Magnetic.
milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesium. So this milk of magnesium also nothing but a
Exothermic.
exothermic reaction. So this is the exothermic reaction. Are you understanding? So first
Yes,
one is
sir.
the
Sir.
endothermic reaction. This second one also this is very important too. So first and second both are heat utilized, heat observing, then to form a chemical reaction to form a new substance are forming. So this is endothermic reaction. So third and fourth one, so chemical reaction after. So chemical reaction after means the chemical reaction is occur and chemical reaction going on, new substance are forming. So the heat it will be releasing, heat and energy also releasing. So this is called a exothermic reaction. So
Exothermic.
magnesium hydroxide, what is the common name is milk of magnesia. Okay.
Magnesia.
So in our textbook, so many examples are there in the chemical equation. Then you take and so you practice the so you do the balance. Are you understanding? So
Yes, sir.
this is the balancing chemical equation. Tomorrow I will be start the making a chemical equation more informative. Making a chemical equation more informative. Thank you.
More
One and all.
informative.
Tomorrow what is the topic? Making a chemical equation more informative. More informative. So you
Informative.
informative means which type of information giving in the chemical equation. So in the previous class we have discussed about the balancing equation. So tomorrow class is the making a chemical equation more
More
informative. Right.
informative.
Thank you one and all. Certainly.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, obviously. Obviously. చెప్పండి ఏం లేదు మన పాత ప్రీవియస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఉండే చెప్పండి ఏమోండి ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి నా రోడ్ లేదు అవును ఇక్కడ
Children, all of you put on the videos once. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Welcome to my class. I watched the videos. 6, chapter 2, 6. I watched all of you 6. How many members watched? Show your thumb. 6. Who watched the 6 videos? Didn't watch anyone? No one watched 6. Right, okay. Shall I continue from base level? Okay. Right. Tell me, ma, shall I start from base level or how to write the complete? Abhinav Krishna.